Labas muna tayo guys. Tingnan natin yung araw. Sarap ng tulog ko guys. So guys, for today's video, mag-aaral tayo ng sayaw with my choreographer AJ Ginto.
10 years later.
So yun guys, update ngayon is parating na daw yung choreographer natin guys. So let's see and just wait. So yun guys, update, nandito na ating choreographer na si AJ Ginto. So ito siya guys. What's up guys? So yun guys, mag-start muna kami sa stretching. So yun guys, na tayo sa stretching. So mag-start na tayo, sabi ni AJ Ginto.
Basic step, part 5. Walk it out.
I walked it only nickels, now I'm getting to the money.
Jump
Froze on
side.
them hoes, I'm not talking about dancing. Count on the charm, diamond steady, steady dancing. Now
Gangsta
walk it
walk.
out, now walk it 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 out.
James
Westside walk it
Brown.
out, Southside walk it out, Eastside walk it out, Northside walk it out. Now walk now walk it out, 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 now Westside walk it out, Southside walk it out, Eastside walk it out, Northside walk it out. Okay, now do it how you do it, go and walk it out.
Pagdini ka.